Hello students. Today we will discuss about fundamental unit of life, that is cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Before going into deep study of cell, we must know who discovered the cell. Cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. He discovered the cell by examining thin slice of cork under a self-designed microscope. He saw that the cork resembled the structure of a honeycomb. He called those compartments as cellulae, which was later on changed the name cell, which means a little empty room. Actually, cell is a Latin word, and the cork is the substance which is obtained from the bark of tree. So, cell is the structural and functional unit of life because all the living organisms are made up of cells and each cell is different in structure and function. All the cells combine to perform a specific function. That's why it is known as functional unit of life. Next we will study about types of cells. There are basically two types of cells. First one is prokaryotic cell and second one is eukaryotic cell. Pro means primitive and karyon means nucleus. Means the cells which have primitive type of nucleus. Means the nucleus is not well developed. The nucleus is not surrounded by the nuclear membrane. Prokaryotic cells contain single chromosomes. Nucleolus, which is present in the center of the nucleus, that is absent in prokaryotic cells. Next is eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cells are large in size and the nucleus is surrounded by nuclear membrane. Means the nucleus is true. Eu means true and karyon means nucleus. So we can say that eukaryotic cells are those in which the nucleus is true or well developed, and eukaryotic cell has more than one number of chromosomes. All the cell organelles are present in eukaryotic cell. Next is unicellular and multicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms. Uni means one, means the organism which contain only one cell. They are known as unicellular organism. These are also known as single-celled organism because they consist of single cell. This single cell perform all the life activities. Because there is single cell, so there is no division of labor. Single cell is involved in the production of new organism during the process of reproduction. You can see here that in amoeba, paramecium and euglena, these are the unicellular organism. In them, only a single cell perform all the functions like digestion, respiration, excretion, etc. Next is multicellular organism. The organisms which contains multi means many, more than one number of cells are known as multicellular organisms. They consist of large number of cells and these multiple cells perform all the basic life activities. Because in multicellular organisms there are many number of cells, so there is division of labor. Means particular type of cell perform a particular function. In animals and the human beings and plants, these all are the multicellular organisms, and in them different cells become together and they come together and make the tissue, and many number of tissues they come together and form the organ. Different organs constitute the organ system and different organ system constitute an organism. Next is plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell, the main difference is the cell wall is present. In case of animal cell, the outer covering is known as the plasma membrane. But in plant cell, there is another wall or membrane which cover the plasma membrane or cell membrane, that is known as cell wall. This cell wall is made up of cellulose and make a plant cell hard. Vacuole is single, which is present in the center of the cell and that is large in size. Chloroplasts are also present in the plant cell, which are responsible for the process of photosynthesis. The plant cell is larger in size than animal cell. Next is animal cell. In animal cell, the outer covering is plasma membrane or cell membrane. It means cell wall is absent in animal cells. In animal cell, there are many vacuoles, but they are smaller in size as compared to vacuoles present in the plant cell. In case of animal cell, chloroplasts are absent. Animal cell is smaller in size than the plant cell.